In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use CCs in a ticket in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to View and select the ticket that you want to add a CC on. Or, for this video, for example, I added a new ticket. So, what's the difference of the two, or the one who will receive the email, or the CC? So, right here, this is the main address that we will send this email or message on. But if you check on the right side, we have this CC option. The CC option are the users who would also see this email together with the main recipient. So, simply type in the email right here. So, let's add another one, enter. And now all these users, once you send a mail or any message, would receive that message. And that's it. That's how you use the CC in a ticket in Zendesk. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.